Everybody, it's Steve. I'm going to show you a couple drills from last summer, challenge you a little bit to keep count of some of your dribbles and see if we can get you involved a little bit when you're not going to be at camp this summer. First of all, I want you to remember the crossover dribble he did. Back and forth from left hand to right hand. Don't want you to look at the ball. I want you to look at the sky, look at a tree, look at a friend. Go back and forth. Once you do that for a while, you got a chair or something like that at home, or even a set of stairs. I want you to dribble 10 or 15 times with your left hand or right hand. Then switch to your other hand. Again, don't look at the ball, look up at the sky, look up at a tree. I want you to be able to dribble without looking at the ball. And by next summer, I expect you all to be able to do it. Go up and down the court without looking at the ball. And one last thing I want you to remember that we did at camp. I want to make sure everyone remembers to do this when they get back. Curl your arm and roll the ball around your chest. Okay, the last video we did, I've got feedback that you guys are having trouble with our trick, so I'm going to ask someone. Young man, come here a second. 50 mask. So I'm going to pull this young man up. We've never met. What's your name?
Alex.
His name is Alex. And so we're going to see, I'm going to have him perform that trick and see if he can. Well, I want you to just roll it around you. He's never, look at that. So girls, you're supposed to send in your videos, so send them in to Keeley, and we'll post them on the social media, on the Instagram and the Trip Lake site. Thanks.